We have this question 21 with a common denominator of 5x. So we write down one of them, and that will add the exponent and the numerator easily for us, and that will give us 6 over 5x. So the correct answer is this. We have m star n equals square root of m cubed minus n squared. Then 5 star 2 is equal to, so we let m equal 5 from the definition and n equal 2. So we just plug in into the definition. So we have 5 cubed minus 2 squared, and that will give us square root of 125 minus 2 squared, which is 4, and this will give us 121. So square root of 121 is equal to 11. So the correct answer is D. Given that 3 into x minus 1, so we are expanding. We expand this way, then we get 3x minus 3, then the negative 2 multiply the 2x, then again negative 1, so we get negative 2x. Take care of the negative negative, which give us positive 2, is equal to 7. Now what do we do next? We group the like terms. So we group like terms to get 3x minus 2x is equal to 7, then minus 2 plus 3. So this will give us x, and on the right we will have 8. So x will be equal to 8. The question 24. We have this negative 2q minus 3q. So negative becomes positive 2q, then minus 3q. So this will give us so this is q, so this will give us 2q minus 3q, and this will be equal to negative q. So the correct choice is C. 25. If x equal 4 and y equal 2, we want to evaluate this expression. So we have x equal 4 and y equal 2. So we substitute to get 4 squared plus 3y all over, so the 3y, the y is 2, so 3 times 2, then all over 4 times 2. Now let's evaluate. 4 squared is equal to 16. So 4 squared equals 16, then plus 6 all over 8. Now this will be equal to 22 over 8, and we will reduce to get 11 over 4, which is the same as 2 whole number 3 over 4. So this is the correct choice. Now let us move on to the next question. So for this one we are looking for p. So p over 5 equal 20. We need to multiply through by 5 to get p equal 20 times 5. So that means that we are multiplying both sides by 5, and that gave us this result. So the correct answer will be D. So we have this one, the given vectors, and we want to find p minus q. So we just have to substitute the vectors. So the p is giving us 3, 7, and q is negative 2, 5. So let us do the subtraction. We get 3 minus 2, and that will, we also have 7 minus 5, so that will give us 6. Since there's a mistake here, this one will become 5, so we get 5 2. Then the correct answer is C. Now let us look at this one. We have item 28 refers to the following diagrams, and what we are looking for is we want to find vector EJ. We know that vector EJ is going to meet EH. So vector EJ is equal to EH EH plus HG, vector EH plus vector HG. So that is from the triangular law of vector addition. So we know the parallel vectors are equal, so this one will be K. Just substitute to get EH, which is M, plus HG, which is K, and the same as K plus M. Addition is commutative, so we have this as the correct answer. Now let's look at this. We have this, so these are we multiply the vectors by the scalar. So let's do that. We do the scalar multiplication to get 5x 5y, then it will be equal to 4 times 10, 4 times 10, which is 40, then 4 times 20, which is 80. What do we do next? We use the equality of vectors. So vectors corresponding components must be equal. So we get 5x equal 40, then 5y equal 80. So we need to work further. So dividing through by 5, we get x equal 40 over 5. Then we also have y equal 80 over 5. 80 over 5. This is 5. Yes, it's 5. So we simplify further to get x equal 8 and y equals 16. So we got our answer now. Now let's proceed to item 30. So we have this. We are going to multiply the row by the column. So watch how we do that. So corresponding entries will multiply, then we add. So AB, the product AB will be equal to 1 times 3 plus 3 times 2, then plus negative 3 times 0. Then we come to the first row by second column now. So we get 1 by 0. 1 by 0. Are we doing the right thing? Yes, of course. That is the correct thing we are doing. So we multiply the second row by the first row by the second column. So we get 1 times 0 plus 3 times 1, then plus negative 3 times 5. Then we come to the bottom now. The second row will now take on each of the columns. So this will take both of them. So let's go. We have 3 times 3, then plus 0 times 2, then plus 5 times 0. Then this will give us we have 3 times 0 plus 0 times 1, then plus 5 times 5. So this will simplify to we have 3 plus 6 plus 0 minus 0. Then we have this over here to 0 plus 3, then minus 15. Then we also have here 9 plus 0 plus 0. Then over here too we have 0 plus 25. So let's simplify finally to get our matrix to be, this will be 9, then this will be negative 12, this will be 9, and this will be 25. So that is our matrix.